today we're going to read another book on epic called Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us globbed up? Please, don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. Sigh. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peeked inside. Open the door slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Again, louder. That's better. Looks like there's a note for Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Surprise, Larry, we have an extra special treat for you. Trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. And that's the end of Don't Push the Button, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!